Bitcoin appears to be rising due to Japanese bond troubles. Swedish health company buys Bitcoin with investor help. Coinbase faces a lawsuit over data theft, and what Cetus reported regarding one of the biggest hacks last week. Welcome to this week's Kripto Pulz. On May 22nd, Bitcoin reached a new all-time high of $112,000, and analysts believe the reason lies not just in geopolitics, but especially in Japan's economic troubles. Yields on Japanese government bonds have risen sharply, signaling a loss of investor confidence in the country's ability to repay its debt. This kind of situation increases interest in Bitcoin as a safe haven asset, as it is independent of governments and doesn't carry credit risk. Similar concerns in the US are also boosting interest in Bitcoin ETFs, which is pushing the price up even further. If this trend continues, analysts estimate that BTC could rise all the way to $200,000. Sounds like a pretty realistic prediction. What do you think? H100, a Swedish health tech company, has raised $2.2 million to buy Bitcoin. The largest chunk of the funding came from well-known crypto advocate Adam Back, while the rest was contributed by various investment firms. With this money, the company bought nearly 25 Bitcoins and became the first public company in Sweden to include Bitcoin in its treasury. The company's leadership believes that the values of the Bitcoin community, like independence and control over one's own assets, resonate with their customers, who are looking for a more proactive approach to health. H100's stock jumped more than 40% after the announcement, so progress is happening in Europe as well. If you're enjoying the news so far, hit like, drop a comment below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next Kripto Pulz. Crypto exchange Coinbase is facing a new class action lawsuit filed by investor Brady Nessler. The suit claims the company hid information about a major breach of their systems and a violation of UK regulator FCA rules. The breach actually occurred months earlier, but wasn't disclosed until May 2025. Hackers bribed customer service agents and stole sensitive user data. In addition, Coinbase was fined $4.5 million in the UK for mishandling high-risk users. Because of these undisclosed issues, the stock value dropped and investors are demanding compensation. It'll be interesting to follow how this plays out. One of the biggest hacks of the year happened last week on the decentralized exchange Cetus, which runs on the Sui blockchain. $223 million vanished. The cause? A bug in a math library used by the smart contract, not an issue with the Sui chain itself. Fortunately, $162 million of the funds were frozen, and efforts are underway to recover the rest. The Sui team has responded with serious actions. They're committing an additional $10 million to improve security and to work closely with developers. This incident is a strong reminder that smart contracts are vulnerable and that security remains a major challenge in crypto. Has trust in SUI decreased? What do you think? Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Kripto Pulz.